Splash spray developing and spray etching machines. Like all other Bungard machines for surface treatment, the splash developing and etching units use the spray process. Years of experience in large-scale production have shown that only vertical spray processing ensures the highest line resolution with a minimum of undercut. All Bungard etching machines achieve a line resolution better than 100 micrometers. Compared with other tank, bubble or foam etching machines in approximately the same price range, which are commonly found in hobby applications, these results are remarkable. All remaining steps up to the finished PCB can be completed in our splash center for wet processing, which we see here. Of course, the fluids used for the different work stages can be easily discharged by large and easily accessible ball valves, which are standard on all Bungard machines. The first step is double-sided spray etching of a PCB in only 90 seconds with warm, fresh etchant. Then, the board holder is rotated and fixed to allow residues to drip off. This minimizes the amount of rinsing water needed. The next steps are pre-rinsing and freshwater spray rinsing. Subsequently, the etch resist is stripped or removed, followed by another freshwater rinse. The board is now ready for chemical tinning. The boards are dropped into a kind of basket which can later easily be pulled out. Now that the PCB is ready, you can also apply solder mask by means of the laminator by repeating the vacuum exposure and the developing process.